Hi everyone. As you have seen Django models in the last tutorial, today we are going to see very important module which comes as a built-in feature with Django's framework. That is called Django Admin module, or you can call it Django Admin site. The Django Admin provides developer with a simple, effective way to manage their models and build sustainable projects. It allows you to create, view, update and remove records from your application. This is a very simple app which was created in the last tutorial. This is a cart folder and there is a view.py file. Here we have function based view which shows the current date and time only. And this view is mapped with route in urls.py file which we call from the browser. Okay, if you browse your landing page, you will be able to see this function based view. You will see a date and time as a HTTP response. Let me run the project. It is just a very simple function based view. We have also created few Django models and register in the admin.py file. And we applied two migration command to create these models as a database table in SQLite 3 database. Okay. These models work with default SQLite 3 database from the Django framework. We also interacted with these models with help of Django ORM. We open the interactive cell and perform operations like read, insert, update, and delete. Sometimes we call them CRUD operations in application. Okay. Now the main point to bring this tutorial is to show you how to perform CRUD operations from the admin side. So admin side can be configured in any new Django app with few steps. First, we have to update your settings.py file. Okay, this settings.py file in our project. So here we have to just make sure that our application name is registered on this install app object. So in this application, we also created few database models for us, and these models have been registered with admin module also. If you make any new changes into your existing models, then you have to execute migration command again. That will create another migration file in your migrations folder in the application, right? The second step is to just add the route for the admin in url.py file, right? We have url.py and you will notice that we have add one route over here for admin side. Now that you have ensured that our Django web project has the appropriate code in the settings.py and urls.py files, we know our application will have access to the admin models and admin user interface. Admin route. Okay, once you execute this URL, you will be able to see a login screen, right? So this screen lets us know that we have successfully enabled the admin app, but we may not have set up a Django administration account yet. So we can create the admin account in order to log in into the next step, right? Just close the application with Control plus C. It will stop the Django server. Fire one command, that is python manage.py create super user. Actually, Django allows us to generate a super user account from the terminal itself, right? As soon as I execute this command, it will ask me the username. I can say my username would be admin. Then it is asking the email address. You can fill these inputs, right? It is now asking the password. You can put any password, but just keep in mind it should be noted. Let me type it again. Okay, so my super user is created successfully in my Django app. Let me run the application again with manage.py run server. Now I will be able to log in into the admin module with these credentials which I have just created, right? Let me refresh the page and input the users and the password. We have a very nice admin module into our Django app, right? These are default screen Django admin module provides us, that is groups and user. From these screens, we can maintain the security of our Django application, right? Along with, we had also created these three database models from our Django app, right? First was item, second was user orders, and the third was users. Let me maximize the window. You will be able to see one more option over here, that is change password. Anytime if you want to change the password of your admin user, you can change it from here. If you click on users, you will be able to create more users here, right from this screen. Okay, just click on add user, it will ask username and it will also ask you the password to enter. If you want to create groups, you can also create a group of people to allow certain part of the application and you can control the security of the application. Okay, if you add group, you will be able to see the group and you can define like which operations this group can perform, right? Okay, like this. Okay, let me say manager. This user can view the permissions, it can create a new user, right? Manager group is being saved. You can create users also. Add user, let me say user one. I'm saying any, let me put any password. You can take a different password. So another user has been created. So now we have two users in the system. If you want to assign this user to this particular group, you can say that this user is a part of manager group, right? And what this user can do can also define the permissions. All right. Click on save. The permission for this user has been added. Now let me show you the other three models which we had created through the application. First is again the user. You can create user for your cart application like this. Okay. All right. If you want to create more items in your shopping cart application, you can create. You can edit or update or you can delete the item, right? If you want to add new user order, you have to just click on this link button, order number 3, an item you can say that is LED and user would be the cart user 1 and you have to just click on save, right? If you want to like display these items on your item list in your application, you have to just create views and just pick the data from here and you can show these items. Okay. So this is the area from where we can manage our old database tables for our application. If you want to verify updated data through Django ORM, just stop the Django server, Control plus C, just run command python manage.py shell. It will open an interactive cell and you can import your model right through the command, right? This is the model that we have created cart.models which comes under cart and we are importing user, item and user order. So in order to get the data, you have to just type user model, then objects, and then call the all method. As soon as you hit the enter, you will be able to see both users, right? This is the user that we have just created. In the same way, you want to see items, you can get this third item as well, right? Which we have just created, right? We also updated this item name. You see, let's see the user order as well. Okay, you will get new order, right? For this user. You see, order number 3. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to access the Django admin site. So hit a like button and give me the comment down below of this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.